went under contract this past week. Days on the market are down and prices are up 6%. It's Friday, July 21st, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. It'll cost you 6% more to buy a home this year than last year as the prices are climbing towards a median $400,000. This week, there are 1,139 homes for sale on the shore, a decline from last week. 98 homes are poised to hit the market soon. Not a lot, but a few more this week than last. 156 homes came to the market over the past week, reflecting fewer than last. 90 went under contract and 84 went to pending. 129 properties sold in 9 days, dropping to 98.7% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home sold in the past week was in Salisbury for $1,500,000. There are 59 homes for lease holding steady at a median $1,995 per month. That could buy you a $325,000 home on the shore. If you're renting, you're buying your landlord's house for him. Well, that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, July 21st, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week.